I get so excited. Here he is. Ah, Red Headed Woodpecker. Hi, brother. Other birds are right over there. And there's some in the tree. Come on, go. Look at him. Oh, hi, honey. How you doing? Oh, sorry. Here we go. He likes the peanut butter suet and he likes the hummingbird feeder too. Of course, the hummer hates him coming to feed here. And if he comes around, he'll buzz him like, like he's a tough guy. You know how birds are. Oh, here I'm moving. He's so cute. Oh, pardon me. Here, let's see if I can get all these birds in here. Oh, what a glorious day. Oh. OMG. What a blessed day, huh? Oh, I hope your day is as magical as mine is. Right now. Oh, and I'm crunching in the background as the dogs are eating. We're all happy. Oh, there you go. Where is he? Where'd he go? Oh, where are you? Oh, there he is. He went way up the hill. Oh, there he is. No, there's no dead anything on this tree, buddy. They're just checking. Namaste, y'all. Oh, there you go. Way up there.